That's what I'm saying.
All right. And you live in Bethlehem, you said?
Yes, I live in Bethlehem.
Okay. All right. Just hang out for me for 1 second. Okay.
No, I didn't match no description because I was not driving. You're fishing. I want you to get your supervisor out here. You see me with my legally owned firearm and you just assumed something is wrong. And yeah, we're going to put a stop to it because this is not the only first time that y'all stopped me.
How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. Thank you guys for tuning in once again into the channel, and I'm highlighting a video for you guys today that comes to you by the way of this channel here. This one here is an amazing video demonstrating to you people on how to stand up for your naturally protected rights. This channel here goes by the name of Cartel Music Group, and in this video he is stopped and unnecessarily detained while walking down the street near a traffic incident. The officer in this video claims that this man is a witness to the incident, which would damn near be impossible to prove without actual visual evidence. Even if you were a witness to the crime or incident, you aren't obligated to give any type of information about it, nor yourself. It is not your job to do the officer's job for them. Go ahead and check this out and let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. The original video and channel link will be down below in the description as well. Thank you, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
Banks?
Yes.
All right, officer, what's your badge number?
472.
472. All right, and why are you stopping me?
You're a witness to a crime.
I was a witness to the crime? How will you say that I'm a witness to the
Anyway,
crime?
I'm not going to argue here with you.
All right, so you can
So
either...
what exactly happened?
I was walking up the block. The guy was already hit. He was already on the floor. When you guys was already here. What happened to walk from the pantry? I was walking on my way. I see everybody already here. They was already here. Someone got hit by the car. And I just looked. I stood there, looked at the guy, kept it moving.
Okay.
Minding my business. Regular citizen, minding his business. Why would you assume?
Were you ever driving?
But why would you assume if I'm driving a
Were
car?
you ever driving? Or
Never.
were you just walking?
You're fishing.
I'm not.
I mean, you actually are, because for you to come across the street and say that I was driving a car or anything insinuation, you're fishing.
I'm asking.
No, I was not.
Why did you just walk by instead of providing aid?
You guys were already there. You guys was already there. They already was loading them into the ambulance.
All right, I missed that.
Yeah, you guys was already there. Everybody was there from the bar. From the bar, it came out.
Okay.
Everybody was there. That's what I'm saying.
All right, and you live in Bethlehem, you said?
Yes, I live in Bethlehem.
Okay. All right, just hang out for me for 1 second. Okay.
No, I didn't match no description because I was not driving. You're fishing. I want you to get your supervisor out here. You see me with my legally owned firearm and you just assumed something is wrong. And yeah, we're going to put a stop to it because this is not the only first time that y'all stopped me.
Why do you have a vest on?
It's my legal right.
Is there a reason why you're wearing it?
No legal. It's my legal right. It's not legal. It's not illegal for me to carry it either. You're not the first officer to stop me.
I didn't stop you.
Well, you're not the first officer that he tried to stop me, try to fish. Or you match the description, me drive. You kidding me? Like, come on.
You have a car?
Excuse me?
You have a car?
A card for what?
A car.
A car?
Vehicle.
I don't even own a license.
What kind of gun is that?
I don't want to ask no questions if I'm not being detained. Like, you guys are just out, just picking, just randomly picking for things. Like, I want to record this. What's your name and badge number? You're not gonna provide me with your name and badge number?
This isn't my investigation.
Oh, now it's not your. Okay. You know you're supposed to tell me your badge and name, right?
Badge number is 477.
All right. And your name?
Officer Einfall.
Thank you, Officer Einfall.
You're welcome.
Just a law-abiding citizen recording this.
What are you going to do with it? Post it on Facebook?
I mean, no. I mean, depending on how you guys want to maneuver. I'm just recording. This is my right to record you guys. You guys had the right to stop me for no reason. Regular citizen walking down the street minding my business. This guy over here fishing, trying to find, and I get it. No, fish somewhere else. I'm not the one. I know my rights.
I guess the only piece of advice I can give you folks here is to maybe not answer so many questions. It isn't your job to do the officer's job, nor are you legally obligated to help them in any way. You're also not legally obligated to reveal or give up any type of information about yourself, nor the incident if you yourself have not committed a crime. This man did right by himself and these officers for recording this incident and the interaction with these officers. That is also my best advice, to record every single interaction you come across with the police officer. Other than that, I want to commend this man for standing up for his rights and give him an A+. I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Keep watching.
Am I free to go?
Not yet.
So am I being detained?
As of right now, yes.
For what?
Not in handcuffs, but you're detained and pending an investigation, yes.
Pending what type of investigation? Can you please call...
A hit and run is possibly a fatal.
Yes, but can you please call your supervisor? Because what hit and run am I involved? If I'm not even driving a car, what are you assuming?
Match the description of the suspect, sir.
Are you really? All right. We're going to see how this plays out. Call your supervisor. Please. Do me a favor. I want a supervisor here at the scene. Immediately. You guys had no right to stop me. No right whatsoever. No right. I didn't match no description.
Have you ever been arrested before?
Never.
Never in your life?
Why would I be arrested?
I don't know. I'll be arrested.
No, I'm not arrested. Oh my God. You know you guys are illegally detaining me, right? Where is your officer? Can I have a supervisor here in the scene?
There are multiple supervisors here, but right now they're dealing with something super important. I have no idea.
I know what you guys are trying to do. I'm a regular citizen walking down the street. This officer says I match a description. That's universal for all you police officers that want to say I match the description. I don't match no description. He says, oh, I was driving the car, this and that. What?
I'm gonna have to strongly agree with what this man says right here. If you are stopped by the police and their excuse to stopping you is for matching the description, it's definitely the oldest trick in the book. I know they have used this one on the people for many years as an entryway to violate the people's rights, and really is universal for all police officers to say this to you. I want you guys to go ahead and let me know in the comments if you have had any past experiences with an officer that has stopped you for matching the description. Keep watching.
I just got here.
That's what I'm saying.
I just got here.
I just got here too.
I'm a resident from Bethlehem, and I'm walk up and down here this block every day with my vest, my gun. He was looking at me from across the street. He seen me walk with my firearm, which I'm legally to carry in the state of Pennsylvania, and he automatically says, "Hey, Commonwealth, yeah." And then he says, "Oh, you're." He started asking me a question, which casually he can, and all of a sudden he says, "Oh, you're being detained for what? What's the purpose?"
I just got here.
I need a supervisor here, please.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
They're tied up.
Burton.
They'll come from
Burton.
466.
All right. Thank you. I want to know why I'm being detained. Unlawfully at that. Unlawfully at that.
Where do you live at in Bethlehem?
Huh?
Where do you live at in Bethlehem?
Right up the block on Hill Street.
I work the north side mostly.
Yeah.
Take a little bit.
Yeah.
Here's the supervisor for you.
Here, right here?
Yep. Just let him come over to you, please.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
all I ask.
Oh. Hey, supervisor. I'm a regular citizen walking down the street. Regular citizen. Your officer looked at me and my firearm, directly pinpointed me. Walked up to me and said, "Hey, can I ask you a question?" Sure. I stopped. I'm speaking to him. Cordial conversation. All of a sudden, he says, "I match your description." What description are you talking about? He asked me if I'm driving. All these questions, like if I have something to do with an accident. I don't know.
Something? Were you a witness?
Listen, what I witnessed was I was walking already. You guys there was already pumping them, already putting them in the car. I was walking from the pantry. I made my way through. I was like, damn, what happened? I see all the cops coming. So I was already walking when you guys already were stuffing them in the thing. I went home, came right back out. Soon as I come down this same path I'm walking, this guy comes, "Hey, you match the description. Well, can I ask you a question?" Sure, I'm not. You know what I mean? I'm a law-abiding citizen.
Okay.
He starts talking to me, and he's like, he asking me questions. I'm like, no. "Oh, did you see?" I'm trying to explain to the guy. I was walking from down there, walking up. Like, look, you see everybody? Everybody's standing there. Everybody witnessed it. They witnessed after the fact. I didn't see nothing. I'm just a regular citizen. He want to make it his business to... It's unprofessional. he's asking me questions that I have no idea about. You know what I mean? I'm just a regular citizen
Did
walking
you
in.
answer him and say, yeah,
Of
no, I
course,
don't know.
of course. And then he says, I'm detained. Detained for what?
Okay.
Detained for what?
I don't know. Maybe you did match the description.
That's what I'm saying. But what description? If a guy was driving a car, what description is going to be if a guy's in the car?
Well, the guy got out apparently.
Well, if the guy got out, the car would have been there. Or you guys
He
would have
got
had,
out and then got back in.
you guys would have had cameras. You guys would have had everything.
All
Those.
right, listen, this is very fresh. Okay?
I know,
This
I know.
is very fresh. We're in the very early stages
Yeah.
of this, okay? So we're trying to get this all sorted out, you know what I mean?
I get it, but your guys fishing for things that
Listen,
is
he's
not
gonna
there.
pin something on you that you
Listen,
didn't
yeah,
do.
oh.
You know what I mean?
Well,
He's just trying
Lieutenant or Sarge?
Sergeant.
Sarge. My sister is on the job.
Okay.
43rd precinct.
Okay, then you
Bronx,
can talk
New
to her
York.
and
And-
explain your piece to her, and she'll probably tell you the same thing.
That's what I'm saying. All respect to you guys, but you guys he's fishing for something that a guy could probably be the suspect and get away while he's here entertaining this.
Well, we gotta
If-
explore all avenues, you know what I
Of
mean?
course, of course. But if a guy did a crime, you think I will actually walk back down the street, parading my gun in, like common sense? Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
All right, so what did you see when you were walking?
I was just walking up. They was already working on him. They was already doing the thing. They was loading him in the car. I said, oh, shit. Some guy said, oh, they hit him and run. Oh, I said, damn, what the fuck? Turn around, kept it moving. That's it. Came right back down. And then that's when your officer stopped me and try to do the wiggle toe.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
That's it.
So that's it. All right. Are we good?
We're good.
Okay.
I respect you guys. I'm all for you guys, man. You guys got to do what you got to do, but it's not. Trust me, I don't even own a license.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't have an ID, and I don't have to furnish any ID because I haven't committed no crime.
Wouldn't you be willing to?
Of course, but look, I don't have it.
Oh, I know, just verbally.
No, I don't. I don't like to give my name if I haven't committed no crime.
We're not saying that you committed a
I'm
crime.
just saying, like, listen. Just like the other day, right? Police stopped me. Someone called that they see me walking with all my thing is legal. I'm a legal person to carry my weapon in the Commonwealth state of Pennsylvania. So I was walking down the street and they called, all you guys roll up. I think it was another shift. I don't think she was there. It was the other one. But stopped me, the same thing, 20 minutes talking. They let me go.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. And people call all the time.
Of course.
And it's like
Maybe
this.
they see somebody walking around
But
like
this
that
is
and
my
just like-
right. Listen, the other day I seen a guy walking with an AR in fucking downtown Bethlehem.
Okay.
And I'm like,
Nobody's more 2A than me. So
I know.
I'm not gonna give you a hard time if you're completely legal out here doing what you want to do, right?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, but I haven't committed no crime. There's no law stating that I have to show ID or to show any kind of, you know what I mean?
No, we're not forcing you.
Right.
We're asking.
So am I free to go?
Yeah.
Thank you. Be safe, guys.
If you guys enjoyed this one, I do want you to head over to the original channel and video Cartel Music Group and let them know San Joaquin News Network sent you. Also, I want you guys to leave your guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below this video as well. Again, I also want to give kudos to this man for not backing down to these cops and standing up for his rights. Be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notifications if you haven't yet already. Record police now and know your rights. Thank you guys for tuning in once again, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.